Oh my
I want to become slim in 30 days. Is it possible?
Yes, of course.
Will you marry me?
Yes, honey.
You look beautiful in that dress.
Emotional damage.